You must also turn back to the questions which I've asked you before, and I would like to repeat again. The question is, if supposedly a new prophet was born today, please answer this question. I'm repeatedly asking you. If a new prophet was to be born today, would it affect the Khatamiyya, the Khatm Nabuwat of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam? Just tell me yes or no. Yes or no. If you can please answer. If another prophet is born today, would it affect the Khatamiyyat of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam? Yes or no?
What on earth are you talking about?
I just want a yes or no
How
answer.
can you have a yes or no?
I want a yes or no answer.
You're talking something hypothetical, and I'm giving you hypothetical examples.
If a new prophet is born today,
A new prophet, you meaning Allah making someone?
And
Does
new
Allah
prophet-
have qudra on making someone? Should be the question. Does Allah have the qudra?
I'm asking you for a simple yes or no answer. If a new prophet is born today, does it affect the finality of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? You can address it in your own time if you wish.
I'm asking you.